This content is produced by Special Learning Needs Consultants, www.slnconline.com.ng, making learning and technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channels for more tutorials. Let's go learn.
Hi people, my name is Olufemi S.A. Bayode. I'm a computer instructor and assistive technology enthusiast. I enjoy making learning and technology easy and accessible for everyone, most especially individuals with visual impairment. And I also help them tutor in knowing the best method of teaching individuals without sight. Today I will be demonstrating the use of the Nvda add-on called ReadFeed. ReadFeed is Nvda add-on that aggregates feed and presents them to you in a single screen. That is, it accesses or collects every feed and presents them to you in a single spot. Need to say that this Nvda add-on actually makes your Nvda to also act as a simple news or feed reader. And for the benefit of those who are just hearing the word feed for the first time, feed is associated with blog posts of articles, news items, and broadcasted programs. It is a kind of data format used for providing users with content which is frequently updated and gives privilege for users to subscribe to it as a channel. ReadFeed's Nvda add-on supports the two common types of feeds, which are RSS and Atom. I need to also point out that it is not every blog that provides feeds. Feeds are only associated with blog that allows you to subscribe to the content of such a web blog. Opening ReadFeed. There is no key assignment for launching the ReadFeed Nvda add-on. However, you can assign your own key to launch the application. So, we are going to launch this ReadFeed using the general method. Let's go. We are going to press the keystroke Nvda plus letter N as in November, to go to the Nvda menu.
Nvda menu.
Then press letter T for tools.
View log V.
Then R for read feed.
Feeds F.
So when you open the read feed, there are three options there. You have the feed itself. When you scroll down with the down arrow key,
copy feeds folder.
You have copy feed folder. This copy feed folder enables you to copy your feed folder maybe from another location to the personal feed location.
Restore feeds E.
This is the third option, restored feed. So maybe you've included a new feed, so when you activate this, it added the feed into the existing feed that you have. So let's scroll back to feed again.
F.
Focus is back on a feed, so we are going to activate it with the enter key.
Feeds : Google Google Accessibility left paranormal configuration right paren dialog. Filter by colon edit all plus F.
When you open the feed option, focus lands on the filter edit feed. Perhaps you are having a long list of feeds you have subscribed to, so you can actually use this edit feed to actually go to the particular one you are looking for. So you can quickly type it here and then press the tab key, focus goes to that, and then every other feed that having similar keywords that you type into this filter edit box. So let's press our tab key.
List address file.
Now we are on the list of feeds. So you can use your up or down arrow key to scroll through to the feed that you are subscribed to. I am just having two here.
Google Accessibility.
One is Google Accessibility. The other one is
Address file.
Address file. Those are the two I am having here. Let's move on. I will press the tab key.
List of articles. Button Alt plus A.
We are on list of articles. When you activate this option with the space bar, it's going to display up to 10 recently updated articles based on the feed you have selected. Then you press your tab key again.
Open feed button Alt plus O.
This is open feed. So when you activate this open feed with your space bar key, it's going to open your feed page on the internet.
New button Alt plus N.
Just as the name implies, new. If you want to create a new feed that you have just subscribed to, so you can activate this.
Set default button Alt plus E.
This is to set a particular feed as your default.
Open folder containing a backup of feeds button Alt plus F.
This is another option. This is open the feed folder. So when you activate this with your space bar, it opens the folder where all your feeds are kept.
Close button Alt plus C.
Just as name implies, closes the feed, the dialog box for the read feed, and returns you back to the former place you were. Let me press my tab again.
Filter by colon edit all plus F.
I am back at the start where we have the filter edit box.
List address file.
Then my tab key again takes me to the list of feeds. So let me press my down arrow key to move to the feed I would like to read. That's Google Accessibility.
Google Accessibility.
Then
List
my
of
tab key,
articles, button
list
Alt
of
plus F.
article. Then I will press my space bar.
Space. Pressed
So I will press my,
with sound for individuals with paralysis.
you see, it has listed all the articles. And this is
For individuals with paralysis,
recent
Google
articles.
Nest gives help at home list item focused selected.
This is the first one.
With sound amplifier, more people can hear clearly.
This is the second one.
Make your smart home more accessible with new tutorials.
This is the third
Building
one.
for all learners with new apps, tools, and resources. New features to make audio more accessible on your phone.
So if I want to read this particular article, I can just press enter key on it directly, and it is going to activate
Open web page of selected article button Alt plus W.
this option of open the web page for selected article. So
List of articles list. New features to make audio more
let me press enter key on it.
Mozilla Firefox. Loading document. New feed. Clickable navigation landmark list with 3 items latest stories visited link. Link product updates. Link company news. Main landmark new features to make audio more accessible on your phone heading level 1. Navigation landmark link share on Twitter. Link share on Facebook. Link share on link. Link share with email. But Brian Kimmler. Product Manager. Published May 6th. Product Manager, Android Accessibility. Product Manager, Android Accessibility. Published May 16, 2019. Smartphones are key to helping all of us get through our days, from getting directions to translating a word. But for people with disabilities, phones have the potential.
Yes, it's as simple as that. Then I can just close it with my Alt F4 to close the window.
Google Accessibility left paren 20 right paren dialog. List of articles list. New features to make audio more accessible on your. How Nvda makes Google Assistant more accessible.
And if I want to read another, I can just scroll
List of
down.
articles. Make your smart home more accessible with new tutorials for all learners with new apps, tools, and resources.
So and so
Open
on
web pages. About article. Button Alt plus. Close button Alt plus C.
and so forth, and so on and so forth.
Feeds : Google Accessibility left paranormal config. Blank. List. Google Accessibility.
Okay, if you want to add a new feed to your Nvda add-on, that is read feed Nvda add-on, what you are going to do is you will open your web browser. Let me open my web browser here. I am using WaterFox.
W. WinSCP W. WaterFox 26 of 26.
This WaterFox. Enter key.
WaterFox start page dash WaterFox busy.
This is the WaterFox browser, so I will need to go to the address bar with my Control plus letter L. I will type blog.freedomscientific.com.
B. O. M.
.com. Then I hit the enter key
Com.
to load the
Water start page document busy. Browse mode. Freedom Scientific blog of dash news from the cutting edge of assistive technology. Clickable visited link skip to content. Banner landmark heading level 1 visited link Freedom Scientific blog. News from the cutting edge of assistive technology.
This is the blog of Freedom Scientific, the publisher of Just Screen Reader. So, the first thing you will have to do is to subscribe to the feed, because if you don't subscribe to it, you can't have it in your read feed. So let me scroll down.
RSS.
This is the subscribe via RSS.
Subscribe to this blog via RSS link.
Then I will hit the enter key on this subscribe via RSS.
Visited.
Then I just hit the enter
Freedom
key.
Scientific blog. This is a left quote feed right quote of frequently changing content on this site. You can subscribe to this feed to receive updates when this content changes. Clickable subscribe to this feed using combo box collapsed live bookmarks. Clickable checkbox not check always use live bookmarks to subscribe to feeds. Button subscribe now.
Okay. So I will
Clickable
go
checkbox.
to subscribe
Subscribe
now. This is subscribe now. Then I will hit the enter key on subscribe now.
Subscribe with live bookmark dialog. Subscribe button. Edit. Selected Freedom Scientific blog. Folder : combo box bookmarks toolbar collapsed. Show all the bookmarks folders button. Subscribe button.
Hit subscribe button. I hit the enter key on subscribe
Freedom Scientific
button.
blog dash WaterFox.
Good.
Freedom Scientific blog document. Button subscribe now.
Good.
Visited link go to Freedom Scientific blog. Heading level 1 Freedom Scientific blog. Heading level 2 news from the cutting edge of assistive technology.
Good. It's as simple as that. Having subscribed to this feed, the next thing to do is to go back to the address bar and copy the entire URL.
Navigation toolbar. Search or enter it. Press combo box collapsed.
You know, to go to the address bar, you press your control key plus letter L.
H.
Then I'll go to the
HTTPS:
beginning. Then I will highlight and copy everything.
HTTP. One selected.
I'm doing that with
Freedom
my
Scientific selected.
control shift and right arrow key.
Com/select. Feed/.
I haven't done that. Then I will press my Ctrl C to copy it.
Copy text.
Yes. The next thing
Search using a code.
is to open my Notepad application. So I can do that by either going to the start screen and type Notepad, or just press the keystroke Windows key plus letter R for my wrong dialog box.
Run dialog, type the name
Then
of the
I
program.
will type
Folder,
Notepad.
document, T. D.
Then the enter key.
Text unavailable. Desktop list. Waterfonts 26 of 26. Untitled dash notepad. Text editor, edit multi-line.
Then I will
Blank.
paste what I've copied here.
Paste the text.
Check.
https://blog.freedomscientific.com/feed/.
So I will save it with, what should I save it? Okay, let me save it with Freedom Sciences. Control plus letter S for save as. Then I will type Freedom Sciences. F. Freedom. I'm writing Freedom Scientific. Then I hit the enter key.
freedomscientific.text-notepad. Text editor, edit multi-line. https://blog.
Then I will close it with my Alt F4.
Freedom Scientific blog-waterfall.
Let me also close the browser as well. Let me locate where the file is.
Desktop list.
First.
Waterfonts 20 S. Slick Online 3 of 20.
This is my desktop. Let me go to document and check.
Oh. Slick Online. Documents. Items view list. F. O. E. freedomscientific.text 125 of 381.
This is a file. So the next thing to do, having located the file, I will copy it with my keystroke Ctrl plus C.
Copy file.
Then open my Nvda menu.
NVDA menu.
Nvda key plus letter N. Then letter T for
View lobby.
T's. R for read feeds. Then enter key on feed.
Feeds : Google accessibility left paranormal configuration right paren.
Then I will press
List.
tab key to
List of
open
articles. Open feed button Alt plus O.
feed
New
folder.
button Alt plus. Set default button. Open folder containing a backup of feeds button Alt plus F.
Open folder. Yes. I've opened the folder.
Personal feeds window. Tree view. Items view list. Address file .text not selected 1 of 2.
These are the two feeds
Google accessibility
I
.text
have
2 of 2.
here. So I will paste the Freedom Scientific that I just copied now.
Pasted file.
I have pasted the file, the notepad file, which is in TXT format. So I have pasted it here.
Address file
Check.
.text 1 of freedomscientific.text 2 of 3. Google accessibility.text 3 of 3.
So I will close it.
Feeds : Google accessibility left paranormal configuration right paren. Dialog. Filter by : edit Alt plus F. Blank. List. Address file. Google accessibility.
So I have closed it
List
with
of
my
articles. Button Alt.
Alt F4. Then I will also close the read feeds also with my
Documents window.
Alt
Items view list.
F4. The next thing to do is to go back to the Nvda menu with my Nvda key plus letter N,
NVDA menu.
then letter T
View log B.
for tools, R for read feed. Then I will scroll down to restore feed.
Copy feeds folder. Restore feeds. E.
Then I will hit the enter key.
Restore feeds dialog. Select a folder to restore a backup of your previous copied feeds. Directory containing backup : grouping. Directory containing backup : init. Selected C : / users / mtnf -dsp / mdata / roaming / sudo / personal feeds.
Okay, personal feed is correct. Then I will tap to continue.
Browse button. Continue button Alt plus C.
Then I will press spacebar.
Space. Documents window. Items view list. freedomscientific.text 125 of 381. Feeds restored.
Good. So, having done that,
Contact docs 126
What
of 381.
I am to do to confirm if what I've done is correct is I will go to my read feed with my Nvda key plus letter N,
NVDA menu.
then T for tools, T
View log
for tools, R for read feed.
F.
I'm on feed, then I will press enter on feed.
Feeds : Google accessibility left parent normal configuration right paren dialog. Filter by : edit all plus F.
So let's press the tab key to the list of feed.
List address file.
Then let's go down.
Freedom Scientific.
Can you see? It's already there.
Google accessibility.
This is Google accessibility. Now the third.
Freedom Scientific.
Freedom Scientific is it too. So if I want to read article, it is Freedom Scientific. I can just press my
List
tab
of
key
articles.
to list of articles.
Space.
Press space bar. Let's see, it's listed.
Freedom Scientific. FSCast 173 : software updates release. 5 benefits of using the Microsoft Outlook desktop email client.
So I will hit my enter key on this particular article for it to be opened.
5 benefits of using the Microsoft Outlook desktop email client on Freedom Scientific blog Mozilla Firefox. 5 benefits of using the Microsoft Outlook desktop email client on Freedom Scientific blog document busy. Header. Loading document. Clickable banner landmark Freedom Scientific blog visited link. News from the cutting edge of assistive technology. Main landmark 5 benefits of using the Microsoft Outlook desktop email client heading.
Can you see the
Link listed
article
July 31st,
is already
2019 links.
open in the browser? Let me close it and let's see.
Freedom Scientific left paren 10 right paren dialog. List. Feeds : Google accessibility left parent normal configuration right paren dialog. Filter by : edit all plus F. List. Freedom Scientific. List of all. Open feed button.
Let me
New button all button.
close this feed also. The read
Documents
feed.
window. Items view list. Contact docs 126.
Yeah, good. So let's try and also quickly do this to make things very easy for us. Let's try to assign keys to some frequently used options in our read feed Nvda add-on. So we are to press the keystroke Nvda key plus letter N
NVDA
for the
menu.
menu. Then let's scroll down to preferences.
Preferences submenu P.
Then you open with your right arrow key.
Settings S.
Then we have to scroll to input gesture.
Speech dictionary. Punctuation input gestures N.
Then you hit the enter key.
Input gestures dialog. Tree view. Braille collapsed 1 of 25
Then
level 0.
you scroll down.
Browse mode collapsed 2 up. Clipboard collapsed 3 up. Configuration collapsed. Document formatting. Easy table navigator. Emulated system key. Golden cursor collapsed 8. Image describer. Input collapsed 10. Instant translate. Miscellaneous collapsed. Mouse collapsed 13 up. Object navigation. Place markers collapsed. Read feeds collapsed 16 of 25
This
level
is
0.
read feed. So we are to open this read feed with our right arrow key.
Expanded. 9 items.
We have 9 items.
Level 1 activates the copy dialog of read feeds 1 of 9.
Then
Activates the feeds dialog of read feeds 2 of 9 level 1.
this is activate feed. So we need this particular item. So we are to press our tab key to go to add
Button alt plus F.
add button. Then we press the space bar on add.
Space. Pressed. Unavailable. Tree view. Level 2 enter input gesture : 1 of 1.
So now we are to press the keys we are going to be using to activate our read feed. Let's press the keystroke Ctrl Shift Nvda key and figure 9 on our number row.
Context menu.
Let's use our down arrow key to choose all layouts.
NVDA plus CTRL plus Shift plus 9 left paren keyboard. All layouts right paren N.
All layouts, yes. Then we hit the enter key.
Input gestures dialog. Tree view. NVDA plus CTRL plus Shift plus 9 left paren keyboard. All layouts right paren 1 of 1 level 2.
Good. That one is done.
Level 1 activates the restore dialog of read feeds 3 of
Let's
9.
scroll down to
Level 2
look for
NVDA
restore
plus C.
feed.
Level 1 activates the restore dialog of read feeds 3 of 9.
Yes. This one has no keyboard assignment, so let's also create one. Let's press the tab key to go to add again.
Filter by : edit all plus F. Blank. Cancel button. OK button. Add button alt plus A.
You press the space bar key.
Space. Pressed. Unavailable. Tree view. Level 2 enter input gesture colon. 1 of
So
1.
we are to enter our input gesture, which is the key combination we are to use. I want us to use Control Shift Nvda key and letter R. Then
Context menu.
good. Again, we are to use our arrow key to choose all layers.
Nvda plus CTRL plus Shift plus R left parent laptop keyboard right parent. Nvda plus CTRL plus Shift plus R left parent keyboard. All layouts right parent.
All
N.
layouts, good. Then we are to hit the enter key.
Input gestures dialog. Tree view. Nvda plus CTRL plus Shift plus R left parent keyboard. All layouts right parent. 1 of 1 level
So
2.
let's press the tab key to the OK button,
Filter by colon. Edit all. Cancel button. OK button.
then space bar.
Pressed. Documents window.
Good. Let's try to test our key assignments for the read feed. Let's press the Control Shift Nvda key and figure 9 to launch the feed.
Feeds colon. Google accessibility left paranormal configuration right parent. Dialog.
Good.
Filter by colon. Edit all plus A.
It is launched. So let's press the tab key.
Address file.
You see, everything
Freedom Scientific.
is
Google
here.
accessibility.
So there is no need of going through the long way to launch our read feed. Let's press escape key to close it.
Documents window. Items view list.
So let's also press the keystroke Control Shift Nvda key and letter R for restore feed.
Restore feeds dialog. Select a folder to restore a backup of your previous copied feeds. Directory containing backup colon. Group NC colon backslash.
It has launched it. The next thing to do is just to press the tab key to continue
Browse button.
button
Continue button alt plus C.
and hit the space bar or enter key.
Space.
I hope you've gained something in this short tutorial. Please, I will want you to kindly hit the like button, that is the thumbs up symbol, and help us share this channel among your network. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please, we want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you keep getting a notification of any new tutorial we post on this channel. So I will tell you that you should always keep learning, keep growing. Goodbye.
This content was put together by Special Learning Needs Consultants, making learning in technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, connect with us on LinkedIn, and follow us on Twitter. Don't forget to visit our website for accessible materials, information, articles, and other helpful resources on www.slnconline.com.ng.